Hello and welcome to this live. It's going to be about some beautiful, stunning bandhni dupattas, few lehengas, suit set, and of course lots and lots of dupatta options in Georgette. And we are also going to be launching our new design in the Karwa Jal Georgette dupatta. So welcome to this live, and yes, it is a time which is going to be all about prepping up for the future months, for future weeks I should say, because the moment the festivities start, you want to kind of be free. You want to have to know ki, yeah, this is what I have been planning to wear, and then you should just kind of go for it. Okay, so it's not audible. Give me a second. Okay, I'm just going to check on this. There's no sound. Hello guys, can you hear me now? Just give me a thumbs up if you can hear me now. Can you hear me now? There's no audio? Yeah? Okay, awesome. So, welcome again. Welcome everyone. Today is going to be about, I'm going to recap. Sorry on Facebook, I'll have to recap just, very quickly that there's going to be lehengas, there are going to be some beautiful bandhni dupattas, there are going to be Georgette dupattas, and so much more today. It's going to be super exciting. What we are wearing here is one stunning look. Now, this is what I was actually talking about when I was not audible, is that festivities are just round the corner. Karwa Chauth, Navratri, Puja, Diwali, and tons of weddings that are all there in the coming few weeks and months. Last minute doesn't work, because if you see our pieces and if you see how much time and effort it takes to kind of make these pieces, you know that the best time to get them is now, when you see it. Yes, absolutely. And the other amazing thing is, all of this month, free international shipping above 20,000. Everything I think probably in this live today is above 20,000 for sure. And of course, there are going to be many more premium pieces. So the idea is that you see them and you go for it and you find your favorite one now. Okay, first things first, let's just go on and just show you these lovely pieces that I have. This, I have always said this cream and red and cream and maroon is, probably one of my most favorite combinations in Banarasi. It's evergreen, you can never go wrong with it. And what I'm wearing, of course, is just a Katan silk blouse and a skirt. Now, mera thora mix match ka hai, so you will see there is a lighter creamish color, and this is like a more gold color. You can do the same color, you can wear it exactly the same way, so you can do that. But whichever color you use, this is going to be one beautiful dupatta that's going to look stunning on it. Now, you can of course wear it as a suit. I think Katan silk worn as suits, it looks amazing, it feels great. And what I am, of course, I'm starting with non-bandhni pieces because they're so lovely. These are, and really nice price point for each one of these. Cannot be missed. No figure in these. Look at that. Isn't that an amazing hot color? So yes, one beautiful morning. Thoda sa cloudy here in Mumbai, but they are some amazing pieces that I'm going to be showing you now. Look at that. One stunning piece. Here it is. Now, this one has all of this jal design right there. And of course, if you're wearing a base, a gold, a cream, olive gold, any of our colors, they will always look nice. Like, you can't go wrong with having a base and wearing stunning dupattas. That is one way of doing it. There are many, of course, ways where you can build up a contrast. But I think that also depends on, many of you prefer it, many of you like a very subtle base, and some of you love same on same. Now, if I'm wearing a katan, you can get a katan dyed, in any of these colors. That's why I'm just wearing it as a base. But honestly, if you say that I love a katan, which is plain katan, 4,200 per meter, and then you say that, mujhe is color mein dye karna hai, and I think that's a great idea. It will look fabulous. You cannot go wrong with it. Now look at these dupattas. Really, we are very generous with our dupattas. Full length, good width, flowy, beautiful, tassels done. Everything that you probably desire in a dupatta, we have it for you. And okay, so those were the three Georgettes. They're all, I think, the same price point, and you should go for it now. Okay, let me say this again. Each and every piece that you're seeing here is the only piece that I have in that particular design. So you know the drill. You see it, you like it, you go for it. we're going to be now going for some silk dupattas. And you know, so this is how we are working. We did 3 Georgette dupattas. We're going to go 3 silk dupattas, and we're going to do 3 bandi dupattas. And yes, brand new bandi dupattas for you to go for. Okay, now here it is. When you're wearing something like this, the entire look is about the dupatta. It's about the stunning beauty of this. I am going to come closer. I'm going to show you all the details, but I just wanted to kind of bring out the look that you're going for. Okay, and I think, you know, when I met so many of you in Chandigarh and even in Hyderabad, I think, and all the time on the chat, a lot of it is about the drape. Hum kaise drape kare Banarsi dupattes ko, you know, and yeah, I do some, I mean, of course, I'm draping her all the time, and I want to say that if I can do it, then you can definitely do it. You know, these are pure dupattas, look at them, you know, and they kind of can go closer to you, you can let it be open, all depending on how you like it, but all in all, very manageable. Of course, if you want ultimate comfort, then go for Georgette. They are absolutely easy to kind of drape and wear, absolutely forgiving. I always say that because they just you know, fall in the way you want it to fall. Kattan silks, inki beauty unmatched. You know, these are, when you're making a statement, when you're wearing it to an event where you just want to really stand out, then this is a piece that you're going to be wearing. And yes, it's a beautiful red, completely in jal and completely in kadwa and meena and all of those things, you know, in one piece only. Now look at the border. It's not too broad, it's not too narrow, it will stand out, it will fall very well. All of these dupattas are going to work really well. Now I'm just kind of letting it go. I've not done any draping. But what I'm saying is that even if you drape it like this, it works very well. If you wear it across, also it will kind of look very well. So versatile dupattas, wear them in any which ways. Now next one is a superb one with a Kariyal border. And now this one you can see, it's a slightly broader border. But the moment the border becomes broader, like in this one, we always try to make the body a little more softer. So, and a small frame or not a tall person like me can also wear it. Now you can see this, look at that. It's so easy, your hands moving just flawlessly. This one is a Kariyal border. A lot of it goes in making of this particular one. But what's so amazing about it is the contrast. Now look at that contrast of peach and purple. Who would have imagined it can look so great? But it can, and this is one piece for you. With all of these, you can absolutely wear pure Kattan silk dyed in any of the color. You can also, in fact, if you have the time, you can also get yarn dyed matching silk with all of them. Now I'm going to say this, dyed Kattan silk is 4,200 per meter. So that's the price of dyed Kattan silk when we dye it. And then 4,200 per meter for dyed Kattan silk. For plain ones, and for yarn dyed it is 4,800 per meter. Okay, so 4,800 per meter, you can place your order. Minimum is 5 meters always for any of these colors. You can say, I want this dupatta, will you make it in the base color for me? Yes, we will. Now the thing about it, and that's the main thing about it, it will take time. But if you have the time and if you have the dupatta, then you should go for it, you know. Honestly, I think it's 600 rupees per meter ka difference, and you should go for yarn dyed if you have the time, if you can build it. Now, what is to be said about this dupatta is all things beautiful right here. But of course, it's a shikarga. There's a lot of figures. If that's something that's on your mind, but it's absolutely stunning. I'm just showing you a full look of it, and then I'm going to come closer. But really easy to wear, guys. I mean, that's what I keep saying, because they are very easy. Now let's talk about this particular piece in detail. Oh my god, look at that. You can see this one absolutely stunning piece. Here it is. And the best thing about it, if you're going just for the dupattas, each one of these dupattas are ready to ship out today. Kuch nahi karna hai, you have to just tell us which is the one that you like best, and then you can go for it today itself. I'm showing you the full look so that you can absolutely know what is it that you're going for. There you go, you can see it from here. Yes, it's been made completely in Karwa, lots of colors in it, you know. I do that a lot of time when I have time. I will count the colors and tell you how many colors are there in it. Not today, but what I will do is what I will show you once again, a close-up of the entire piece so that you can place your order now. You know, so like probably every collection that we make, and of course Hiranya is the latest one, and whatever that you're seeing right now is a part of Hiranya. So they're all a part of Hiranya that you're honestly seeing. All of these collections, they are part of the same Hiranya collection. And sometimes I think that, you know, 6-8 months से मैं काम कर रही हूँ इस collection पे, probably it will come in time for the exact launch date, but it doesn't happen, you know, it doesn't happen, and very often it doesn't happen in fact. So yeah, we of course make so much that हम जब आपको दिखाते तो हमारे पास we have this beautiful collection to showcase to you always, which was the Hiranya launch 1, launch 2 on the same day. I think sometime this month. We've been doing so much after that that the dates are hazy to me. But what I'm trying to say is that it has taken us so much time to make that one piece. And कई बार ये बात होती है that, you know, maybe I need it 2 months down, maybe I'll get it then, but it may not be available then, because these pieces are an absolute work of you know, such intense work, planning, designing, and the final production that happens. So it's absolutely impossible that उस date पे आपको मिलेगा. So the idea is, if you're planning a trousseau, you're planning a wedding look, you're planning your own stylish, beautiful, stunning look, you see it and you get it. So yeah, I can't emphasize that enough, because I know the number of pre-orders we are already on, and it's actually impossible to deliver anything earlier than that. Lots of pieces. And most importantly, we never take a pre-order for a badni, never ever. So the badnis, you see them now. This is a brand new dupatta, and let's show you the whole feel and look. It's a deep maroonish color to me. Colors very subjective होते हैं. So if you ask my team, you know, tell me the color, they will never tell you. They'll tell you the family. That's as a policy. That's what we do, because all of this is in natural light. So this is the color that you're seeing. It's closest to, you know, it is what it is. Like, it's exactly as you can see it. So, you know, kai baar, you know, colors can be a little tedious, you know, I mean, they can kind of vary from each person. So, yeah, that's the deal. Now, this one, now you will see there is absolutely no figure. There is a Karwa border. It's this beautiful white and yellow bani, and I think it absolutely looks amazing. So, there you go. Now, the next one, a color that we have all been wanting to see more and more. We introduced it, I think, earlier summers this time. The kesari color. And jitna bhi hum chahe aur jitna bhi hum banaye, after that we've never had enough of the kesari color. And here is one stunning premium pieces made for you. जो इनके colors होते हैं, so you know the colors come out later. Like, we make the colors palettes closer to the months of the launch, of our season launch. This is a season launch for us, the Hiranya and the follow-up, all these lives. So, but जो इनके pieces हैं, ये तो, you know, they have been months in making, and then finally we say, okay, now we're going to segregate them. This is the color palette that we're going to be choosing for them, and there you go. So now you are seeing us launching so many of these beautiful looks. Now look at how it moves. Now there is nothing, you know, it's not about how a person is wearing it. It is about the pieces that you see. And just look at the soft fall of Georgette. It's absolutely unbeatable. You know, the tassels have not been done yet in this one, like the jal tassel. We have the basic tassel that we do when we're making the poth. Poth means the fabric. But yes, if you want, of course, we will do it. So this is a Chandrakona, but you know, there is one word called Rai Bandhni, okay? And it's, you know, I mean, sorry to say, it's such a misused word, because it's a correct word. Rai and Bandhni is basically you tie up the Rai and then you know, tie your knot of Bandhni. But technically it's used everywhere, irrespective of the pieces that's made, irrespective of the sizes. Because when you talk about Rai and Bandhni, they have to be absolutely fine. And you know, you can see the sizes right here of this particular piece. You know, just see. There is no zari in the body. All the design and the pattern that you're seeing has been made by Bandhni itself. Such long, tedious work and you can see the stunning effect right there in our signature Kesari color, one piece only. Now is your chance to kind of go for the piece. It looks absolutely wonderful. We've done so many, jitne bhi humne, I think we have sold our Kesaris. We have done suits for them in plain silk. That's my suggestion to you. And they look absolutely brilliant even if you dye them in the base color or the yellow. Both of those are possible. But if you're looking to create something different, then just go for this cream color. It's there, it's available, and you can get it. So there you go. That's the Kesari, one piece only, all of these. Now next up is this, each and every one of them having their own unique look. Now a pink, and again, these colors, I don't think we make so much of it. I often think what's the color that we sell the most? Of course, the pinks and the reds and the blacks and the white. And then, of course, this season, the Kesari. We have not had enough of it. But each one of them have their own beauty. I think the black Bandhi Dupatta we launched recently. Like everybody wanted the black Bandhi Dupatta. So, you know, that's how it is. But jab handmade pieces hai, to hamesha hi unke kuch pieces banenge, and it's all about, you know, who can make up their mind first and get it. And here it is now. Exemplary work. Just look at the detailing, the border, so clean. You can see it. Each one of these, so easy. Now look at that. If I were to wear this, I would just tuck it in. Kuch nahi karne ki zarurat hai. Because, you know, you also want it to be open and you want it to be flaunting like this. And it's so easy. So all you have to do is tuck it here, one tuck, and then just let it be. If you want the tassels, of course, we'll do it for you. And you can do a long tuck, you can do a short tuck, you can even do a tighter tuck. All of that is possible. But ek haath aap zarur, of course, unless you're going to be really dancing your night away and time away, then it's a different thing. Then pin it up completely. Otherwise, let it be, because then you can see the whole movement, the whole beauty of that coming. Okay, now very excited because we also want to be showing to you a lehenga and a lehenga after a long time. So let's go on with the first one. It's a really subtle colors, two of them. And one is a striking black. I just have 3 pieces with me. Abhi mere paas 8 pieces hai, and then if you tell me, of course, it's going to be on pre-order later on for us to be able to create it, which is always a time-taking thing. Now there you go. That's your lehenga. I will come very close again to you and show it to you. But that's the lehenga that I am showcasing to you. There are many things special about it. First things first, it's a Munga silk dupatta. Munga silk lehenga, and the second thing is that it has 3 zaris on it, gold, silver, and the rose that I'm going to now be showing it to you. So first, let's show the close-up to you so that you can see it right here. Look at that, the entire detailing. I'm going to go a little back so that you can see it all right there. And then I'm also going to be showing you the border, because I'll have to lift it up a bit for you to see it. Now I'm going to also be showing it to you like this, so you can see the border. That's the border. That's the beautiful border that you can take a screenshot, head on WhatsApp and place your order. Now I want to drape a beautiful dupatta on it, but first I want to show you the blouse that's there with it. So the set comes like this. It's an unstitched lehenga. Of course the pleats are joined. This along with the blouse will come at one price. Can I see the blouse first, and then I will bring out the dupatta. And then the dupatta, honestly, if you're wearing a piece as beautiful, as grand as this, any dupatta is going to be amazing. You could be wearing it in contrast in hot colors. But I'm going to show you a very subtle combination. Of course, having said that, wear a red, it's going to be amazing. Wear a blue, wear a pink, wear a green, all of that. You know, look at that. Now here it is. That's the set of the lehenga and the blouse. This is the, you know, set that you kind of have to take together. And then I'm going to show a pairing that I like for the dupatta, but then you can decide. So guys, I'm not bringing the blouse again. I'm just showing you this whole look. Of course, take the pictures and come on WhatsApp for knowing more. Now that's the dupatta. It's a, how many colors? It's a 16, 18 colors. So you can see the whole thing right there. I've got all the way back, and yeah, you can see, you can see the whole flow. Just kind of really going through. Thoda sa main paas aake aapko dikha rahi hu. Yes, see, lehenga is always tricky, right? Because I want to come and show you the whole thing, and I think that's basically why we are doing the standing live also today. And then you see this dupatta. Now look at the combination. It's absolutely amazing. I will show you why it works so well. There is a rose gold in this particular dupatta, which is exactly in the lehenga, which is exactly the same color as the base of this dupatta. So now let's show the whole look to you right here. You can see it, the combination, and it's absolutely beautiful. The colors matching. I think it looks very, very pretty. And you can go for this combination as it is. You know, you can wear this dupatta over it like this. It looks wonderful. And you can, of course, also just go for the blouse and the lehenga. There you go. Now, next up is always a showstopper because it's black and you can never ever go wrong with it. There you go. That's your black lehenga. Of course, I'm going to show you all black look. If you like, you know, you can also do two kinds of look, which is ek din aap black pen sakte hain, then you can also do a gold kind of a piece that also looks very, very pretty. So look at that, look at the flow. I'm just tucking it in, but you can see the movement right there. It kind of just moves and it flaunts, and you know, iski jo beauty hai, isko mujhe samjhane ki zarurat nahi hai because it's all there for you to see. But just look at this wonderful, wonderful piece. I'll just put it around my waist, you know. So when you ask us for pictures, this is also an 18 kali one. Yeah, this is also an 18 kali one. That's the blouse. So that's the blouse that you're going for. And there you go. You can also do, ye to aapko milega hi. If you want to go for an extra blouse, you can always go for it. Now the next, what I want to show you with it is this. The dupatta, it's a beautiful, this was a part of our first live, was the second live in Hiranya. Now you can see this absolutely amazing one. What I also actually want to show you is the tassels of this beautiful piece. But why tassels is a very small element of a piece that we make. But if you see the finishing, then you can see the beauty that it brings, and you can see that. Now all I'm going to do is put the dupatta. One second. Can I just show the dupatta once first? I want to show you this stunning, stunning dupatta because I want to show you the flow of it. It is our pure Georgette Karwa dupatta, and it's got the most stunning, stunning detailing and handwork in red right here. So that's your piece that you're going for. Of course, it's going to look amazing on an all gold outfit, but it also looks very, very good with the black, and I'm going to try bringing the black back again. Isko or half, yes. We're going to do it like this, yes, and this. So now, yes, all of that workout should be kabhi kaam aana chahiye, right? So this is it. Now you can see this. You can see this whole look right here, and it looks absolutely stunning. You can see the whole detailing. You can also, of course, get some highlighting in red on the lehenga as well, and there you go. That's the piece that you're going for. I think it's absolutely amazing. The last lehenga that I have for you, and I'll feel relieved after that. That's like the major work today going on for the lives, and this is the last one that we have. Now these two, the black and this particular one that you're seeing, are two zari pieces, two color zari, which means that it has silver and it has gold only. The one in the first one that I showed, of course, it's a 3 zari with silver, gold and rose gold, which is why I just picked up this. Again, you know, now you're wearing, one, it is dyeable. You can, even the first one is dyeable. This is also dyeable. The black has been dyed. It can look amazing with just about any color. You know, I could just very quickly show a red also. Just can I show a red? That is the, so I'm going to very quickly show you a couple of dupattas. I will open it later. But I just want to show you the contrast that it kind of makes. So it will obviously look superb with this. You know, look at that. You could be wearing a red and it's going to look amazing. But मैं ये red दुपट्टा आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगी. The color that I want to actually show you with it are two beautiful dupattas in the same design but different colors. And I'm going to show you first, and that's the blue. Look at that. Here you go. So that's the blue color, and tuck it in, wear it. First, let's show you the close-up for the lehengas. There you go. You can see that. You can see that. And, you know, you can see the entire detailing right there. Go for just the lehengas. Go for, you know, go for the dupatta along with it. So there you go. That's the dupatta. I think it's very pretty. I'll bring back the lehenga. I just want to also show you the dupatta that's there. This is, at the moment, I think our starting range for Georgette Bani dupattas, and you can see this. This is piece 1, and the second one also first I'll show it to you, and then I'll bring back the lehenga to show you the combination. It's a lovely burgundy color, so wear any of these, and of course you can see the gold zari, you can see the beautiful flow in the Georgette, all of that right here. And now I'm going to bring back the lehenga, because I think, see, of course the red, greens, pinks, blues, we can do that, but what we also want to do is do this, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. So yes, 2 options for you in this beautiful lehenga. So 2 dupattas, and of course koi bhi aap lagaye uske saath. So there you go. There we are done with the 3 lehengas and many statement looks. And now something which is very special, which is coming and launching for the very first time, is this one particular dupatta that I've been kind of wanting to show you. Or wasn't I talking about how we can, never meet our deadline? You may have seen me in the Hiranya look 2, wearing this gorgeous red dupatta, which is Jangla, which is Jal, which is Georgette, and it's completely made in Karwa, and it's in Sona and Rupa. This is the second design that we are launching for it today for the very first time, and I think many of you said that it's a Georgette dupatta, and we said yes, it's a Georgette dupatta, which means that a Karwa work is absolutely so very difficult to kind of make with it. Now I want to say something to you, okay? I want to show you 2 more colors in it in the earlier design that I have worn, but they are actually already sold out. I am only showing it to you, but this beautiful new design, because we haven't shown it so far, is right now available, and you can see it right here. So look at that. This is a new design that we are launching, and it's available. You can see the beauty of it. There you go, all of that. So a Georgette Karwa dupatta, as rare as it gets, and very difficult to make. Now here it is. You can see this beautiful dupatta, and now if you cannot recall the look 2, now you will recall it, because I'm going to show you the perfect pair matching for it, and that is this. So this is our Karwa Meena Hiranya look 2, and this is a different color in the Meena, and you can see how gorgeously beautiful the pairing is. So this is a completely Karwa work in a base color, and it happens to be my most favorite base, when you're doing a contrast, be it with pink, be it with red, be it with green, be it with purple. And I'm going to show it all of that to you, not blue I think, but so there's this is 1 piece only, and it is right now available. The red piece, the look that is there, is on pre-order of 60 days at the moment. The fabric, because you had seen me wear this fabric with the red Meena, I'm not wearing it again because it's on 60 days pre-order. Of course, if you want to place your order for it, the only way is to put your name, pay your token, and get in the line, so that on 60 days of your order, you will get it. If sooner, great, but yeah, it's a minimum 60 days of a pre-order. But looks like this will take all the time. Now I'm showing you this dupatta. This dupatta is also on pre-order of 60 days. It's again the Georgette, the Jal, the Karwa, all of it in this gorgeous design. This is the same design in which we have also done the red look that you have seen us do. But it is on pre-order. What I'm doing right now, I'm just showing you color options that you can kind of go for it. In that design also you can go for the green color. That's also possible, or any color. In fact, of course, visual representation only, say it's always easier when you're seeing such grand pieces. Therefore, I've shown you the pink, the red. We already have the pictures. It's all in pre-order. Sorry, I do not have even a single piece with me right now. But here it is. You can see the perfect combination right here. And I think it's absolutely amazing. The one last, look at that, look at the green color, isn't it so glorious with the gold, which is why we have also done that complete perfect matching with it. The last color, and this is, there you go. As I said, also on pre-order, this particular design. Look at that, you can see the beautiful piece right here. It's a purple. Honestly, I have started to love learn to wear purple, you know, since I started working with you. Okay, so that's the drill, you know, because otherwise I used to be like, you know, can I wear a purple, you know, will I be able to carry it off? And then I said, why not, you know? Yeah, so just, you know, kind of play with the colors and experiment, and you know, what else is there to do? You have to try colors, right? So look at that. That's the purple in Georgette, in Karwa, and let's bring the perfect matching piece with it. There you go. That's the perfect matching look, and there you can see. So you can see this one. Now iske baad we are going to do the one piece in which I don't have a dupatta ready, because we cannot make the dupattas fast enough. But the idea is for you to see it. Basically, you can also get any of these dupattas. You've got to see the timelines, but you can get any of these dupattas in this gorgeous blue as well. That can also be done. So there you go. Now, one stunning suit set. You've seen our Bandhani collection. I think we still have probably one or two, or maybe more. So you can ask us the colors. But this is something very special that we have made, and I'm going to show it to you like this. This is the first time we have done complete contrast in the kurta and the bottom. मैं भी आप इसको खोल के दिखाने वाली हूँ. This is a beautiful kurta that you can see, and as I said, months and months of work. That is what it takes us to make kadwa piece. First, इसका kadwa जो piece बनता है, and then it goes for the bandhani, and therefore you can see this beautiful bandhani. That's the kurta. That's the front. That's the back. You can also see there is a border at the end, so there is also that. But the bandhani, of course, yahan iski light hai, and this is like intense, beautiful. This style has been made because your sleeves is going to come from here. It's going to get attached, and you're going to have a really nice, beautiful body and a contrasting sleeves with it. That's why you get this pattern here. Now with it, I'm going to show you this wonderful color dupatta. Let's show that to you. Here it is. So this is the look that we have created for the first time, where it is like a deep contrast. Otherwise, you will see us do blue and green, which is also there available, and it's a stunning, you know, piece. These are our premium bandhani suit set. I'll also show you the bottom, which also has bandhani in it. So there you go. This is the bandhani bottom with it. That's your suit. It's a complete full bandhani suit set. We have colors available in it, and it's from our premium collection, and you should go for it now. So, you know, yes. And now we're going to end with 5 stunning dupattas that I have for you to show. Of course, my paas hamesha hi bahut rehta hai, but today we're going to close with 5 more dupattas, just dupattas, so that you can have your pick. And there you go. Look at that. Gorgeous silk dupatta, completely made in Karwa, our signature konya. You can see the konya, right? That's the design that it's, you know, a very, very traditional, you know, been around for ages. This is one beautiful silk dupatta. You can see how amazing. So this is like a proper, to me it's a Rani pink, you know, it's a shade of pink, but you always will have a whiter tones, the lighter ones, the golden ones. And this is so beautiful. Look at that. So there you go. That's your dupatta, Katan silk, and just wear it as you wish, on a suit, on a lehenga, on both. You can do that. And yes, we are bringing out this. We're going to be bringing out the other blue. So, you know, lots of pieces. We'll close with this blue, but later on. And now, अब मैं आपको सिर्फ कुछ दुपट्टे दिखाने वाली हूँ. So, you know, so that you can quickly go and grab your favorite one. Look at that. Look at the detailing, that, you know, whole tassels in contrast, the beautiful work. And yes, there is a bird here. So if anybody's worried about that, then yeah, that's something. Now, if you're wearing a broad border like this, then bring your dupatta a little down. If it's narrower, you can bring it up. So also, yeah, a lot of you say that, you know, if I'm wearing a statement dupatta, how is it that I'm going to wear my statement lehenga, then how am I going to wear this beautiful dupatta? Then you bring it up upper so that your kalis are visible, your dupatta is going to be back, say anyways visible. So, you know, that's always there. Some lightweight, some gorgeous ones. There you go. I think the silk dupattas, that's what I'm going to show you next. Look at this black. It's so pretty, and, you know, just so lightweight. You can just wear it in any which ways that you want, and of course wear it with a gold or with a black. That's my favorite combination for it. The red is okay, but I think it's just too much contrast for it. The silks, this is one silk piece. I think honestly that's the only one that I have left. It's such a gorgeous one, but yeah, somehow it's here with me, and that's what I'm showing to you. Very beautiful silk bandhni, and all of this border, which is the Petni border right there. You can see the beauty of it, and one hot stunning color. If you like the color, then wear it. Because so many of you have and I mean, it's really good to be chatting with you, because then we can really, have this conversation about, it's a color which is really pretty. Will it work for me? Can I wear it so bright? It's not my wedding, I'm attending someone's. The trick is in how you're going to style it. If you're wearing it with a color base like this, you can wear it. If you can wear it on a pink, you can wear it. If you want to really stand out, wear it with a green. So there is always a way to wear your most favorite colors and stand out in just the way that you want. For me, I would want you to stand out like big time, because I think you guys are so amazing. But if you want to keep it a little subtle, then sure, just build a combination which works on that. And for me, I love natural colors. So look at that, here it is, this is the natural color. So basically you're going for and so many of you having that pastel look that you want for a wedding or a celebration. This is your pastel look right here. Go for now I'm going to say it again, my skirt is a light, slightly darker color, and this is a lighter one. If you're going to get a reference matching, tell us which color, or tell us that you want this in this color, the blouse and the lighter and the skirt. That can also be done, but just let us know which is the color that you're looking for when you're going for the gold. I think it's a beautiful natural one with the Meena just standing out. Wear some statement jewelry, it's going to look amazing, and get the tassels done in color of the dupatta. That will make it stand out more. And one lovely dupatta for you in blue, and I have in fact two blues, but in between that I'm going to be doing one hot pink color just next. But this is a new launch, this is from our premium range, and you can see the entire work. That's what's amazing about them. You see from any distance, you can see how brilliant it is. You can only imagine how much work a karigar has done to make this piece, for all of us. At the end of it, it's them working right there. But that is what we have been working for years with, and that's why we are able to kind of bring out this collection to you. Here it is. Look at that. Look at the drape. It just drapes so well. I think that's the absolute beauty. Now look at that. It just kind of, you can wear it in any which ways. It will fall so well. Now you will see the beautiful silver border right here. So that's also special. But I think just drape it, wear it, flaunt it, wear it like this. You can also wrap it around you if that is a way that you prefer. I love that way, especially on a cold day. It's really good to wrap around a piece. So that's also possible. There you go. The last two pieces, and this one is a pink, and we have lots of pinks. And we can hardly keep up with the amount that you want, but there you go. That's the full look of the piece. Drape it, wear it, and meenakari, lots of stunning meenakari in fact, and this bandhni that you can see in two colors. So I'm going to bring it up and bring up a close of that. Now also something which is really popular at the moment is our 32,800 dupatta. I'm just going to show you one. And because it just looks so good on everything that you wear, every color combination that you're going to be wearing is going to look amazing. These are our stunning Karwa dupattas, 32,800, and just wear them in any which ways, on a suit, in contrast, on plain. Now what is also amazing with it is the tissue fabric that we've launched again as a part of Hiranya. We have some of it, and I'm showing you one wonderful combination right there. So look at that. Now you could be doing a same on same, but I think the gold, the beautiful, it's a yellow, but it's almost like a gold color with this dupatta, looks smashing. It looks smashing. So it is georgette and it is tissue, but you can see how amazing it looks. Now this is a very small cut, but I'm still going to show it to you. I love this green, this forest green. Now with this one, the thing is that we do have a dupatta and it's the same family of green, but you can always know that agar aap tissue se color pick up karenge in georgette, there will always be that variation, and it will be a gorgeous variation of that. but there will be that variation. So, because how a color is picked up in tissue is very, very different from how a color is picked up in georgette. Now look at that, a really nice forest green color. This is the green, and there you go. Pick up, take your favorite one. The last one, what I also have for you is the kesari, and it's the kesari in this, but uske saath jo pairing hai, which is what is so beautiful. Here it is. This is the tissue. These tissues are 6,000 per meter, and I would say go for a same on same. But of course, if you're worried about how long it's going to last, tissue does come with a limited life. But the look of it when you're wearing it, there is no match. And with right care, it can kind of last you for some time. But if you're worried about that, then go for a plain silk bottom. That also works beautifully. And the kesaria, which this was actually the kind of the dupatta jisme humne ye color originally launched kiya. You can see how beautiful it looks with the kesaria and the pink. I think it's going to be an amazing. You can do a pink on pink, wear it with kesaria. It will look beautiful. There is a just that touch of yellow on it, and yes, glorious is what this color is. Wear it with the gold jewelry. I think that's going to look most amazing. Of course, you can wear diamonds and things like that, but I think wear gold with it, because that will only bring out the beauty of this dupatta even more. Subtle elegance, if that's your style, this is the piece that you're going for today. And the very last one is the Sachi Zari Bandhni dupatta. I have this one gorgeous piece. That is what I'm showing to you. I'm also, of course, going to bring it closer, but I'm just showing you the full look. It's just so generous in length and its flow. And the weaving, I will come to that. I will bring it closer for you all to see. There you go. This is one stunner of a piece with all the detailing, the two colors bandhni, the tassels, and again, all ready to go out today. So find your special piece. It's been a great live, just what I wanted it to be. We could show so many of these beautiful pieces to you in standing, the full look, the full glory of them coming out the way it's supposed to be. Go for your favorite one. See you, it's been a grand live, so probably you're going to go for a break, after this, for you to really be able to get your ones. But as I said, jitna hame time laga hai banane mein, you don't take that much time deciding. Go for it now. This is a heritage piece. It is here when it is there. So go, happy shopping, have a great day and a week ahead, and I will see you